Worldwide, hundreds of thousands of passengers are up in the air at any given moment, trusting their lives to the care of strangers, technicians, in-flight crew, and pilots. On the ground, passionate people make this possible. Airplane engineers, producers, and parts manufacturers. They continuously develop, manufacture, and test the airplane parts that the world depends upon. At BMT Aerospace, we're aware of that huge responsibility, and we're devoted to achieving the highest quality levels. Our customers have recognized and appreciated this for over 60 years. Our motto, which we carry as a badge of honor, is Airborne Excellence. Thanks to this level of care and dedication, the act of hurtling through the air at 600 miles an hour is made possible. And it's the reason why flying at 35,000 feet is about 1,000 times safer than traveling by car. We take pride in delivering the lightest, strongest, and most resilient slat and flap actuation parts, aero engine gears and gearboxes, and gear assemblies. For helicopters, BMT Aerospace produces main transmission parts, intermediate gears, and tail rotor gears. Operating from 3 locations on 2 continents, we serve the various market segments within the aerospace industry. Combining the strengths and capabilities of our locations in Belgium, Romania, and the US also allows us to be extremely competitive in terms of quality, delivery, performance, and cost. From implementing your design using our innovative processes to delivering a flawless high-precision component, we manage the full supply chain. For the most delicate parts, everything is executed and fabricated in-house. We hold all the relevant aircraft industry certificates and comply with the highest standards for design, project management, and manufacturing. Whether our customers require products manufactured from castings, forgings, or bar stock, we closely manage every process step, in particular, all special processes. Everything is continuously tested in our labs, including the exact interactions between processes. We control what others describe as unpredictable. Focusing on high-tech performance, innovative thinking, and continuous improvement, we are experts at transitioning new business at a competitive price level. BMT provides design for manufacturing support for major aircraft manufacturers. We turn our customers' vision into finished parts, delivered on time at minimal cost, all thoroughly tested to comply with the highest standards. Using state-of-the-art installations, we handle complex projects, including additive manufacturing in a fully digital environment. We apply the latest advances in science and engineering to help the industry achieve ever higher levels of reliability. Set us a challenge and we'll be happy to exceed your expectations.